speaking. How can I help you? What? Who's this? I don't understand. What do you want? Marilyn, are you okay? Parang nakakita ng multo. I just got a call. Someone said there's a bomb in the building. A bomb? Are you serious? When? They just said it's here. It's going to go off. I don't know when. To tell someone. Sir Genesis, we have an emergency.
Huh? What's going on?
I just received a bomb threat. Someone called and said there's a bomb in the building.
Okay, just stay calm. Darlene, tell me exactly what they said, every detail. Mariel, call the security and tell them we have a bomb threat and tell them to meet me here immediately.
They just said there was a bomb. They didn't say when or when.
Okay, we need to follow the protocol.
What's the situation? I got the call.
Okay, Darlene received a bomb threat. We need to initiate evacuation procedures. Matundan, start the evacuation. I'll call Noel and inform him.
Attention everyone, this is an emergency. Please evacuate the building immediately using the nearest exit. Do not use the elevator, proceed the designated assembly point outside.
Noel, it's me, Jen. Darlene received a bomb threat. We're initiating evacuation.
A bomb threat? Okay. Follow procedure. Has security been notified?
Yes, Matundan is handling the evacuation.
I'm on my way. Keep you updated. We need to consider calling the authorities.
Okay. Noel, everyone is evacuating. Matundan is making sure everyone gets to the assembly point.
Good. Has anyone any suspicious acts or any unusual behavior?
I don't know. Darlene is pretty shaken up.
Okay, I'm calling the police. We need an expert about bomb disposal. This is Noel from Cooper Company. We received a direct bomb threat at our office building. We're currently evacuating. We need immediate assistance from the bomb squad. Okay, everyone, please remain calm. The police are here conducting a search in the building. We will keep you updated as soon as possible. Our priority is your safety right now. So please cooperate with us for any information. Thank you.
Go. Sir Genesis, we have an emergency.
What's going on?
And go.
What the street?
Go.
Attention everyone, this is an emergency. Please evacuate the building immediately using the